Welcome to the Nightingales, a prestigious and remarkable project by the award-winning developer Riverdale Developments. Set on the edge of Crowborough Country Park, this final phase will provide 44 traditionally built 2, 3 and 4 bedroom homes. This selection of homes are all completed to Riverdale's award-winning standards, each home individually designed with homeowners' requirements considered throughout. Nestled in the heart of the verdant East Sussex countryside, this stunning development offers both excellent connections to London and the coast, whilst enjoying a peaceful setting in one of the country's prettiest areas. Located within the bustling market town of Crowborough, the Nightingales is perfectly positioned to make the most of everything the modern family needs, whether it's by road, rail, air or your own 2 feet. Attention to detail is at the heart of all Riverdale's homes, and here at the Nightingales it is evident both inside and out. The kitchens come with a tailored choice of finishes to the units. Contemporary laminate worktops, with stainless steel sinks and mixer taps, and a range of high quality integrated appliances. The larger 3 and all 4 bedroom homes are provided with even more upgrades included as standard. Granite worktops, integrated wine coolers and separate utility areas. Riverdale also offers its signature finishing touches, helping you personalise your new home ready for moving in. These include a choice of carpeting to the lounge, dining room and bedrooms, as well as a staircase and landing, and a choice of Antico flooring to the kitchen, cloakroom and hallway. Upstairs, the principal bedroom includes sliding wardrobes with soft close and hanging rail, as well as a choice of tiling to bathrooms and a vanity unit in the ensuite. Patio and turf complete each garden, and security alarm systems are also installed as standard. And perhaps most importantly, Riverdale Developments are focused on creating a more sustainable living environment, helping you lower the costs of running your new home. Electric vehicle car charging points on every plot, solar PV panels to selected plots, and waste water heat recovery systems to the 4 bedroom homes. The marketing suite is now open, so if you'd like to view one of these beautiful homes in person, please don't hesitate to get in touch.